Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Here it is Monday morning. Oh, it was hard getting out of bed this morning. It's kind of cold here. When I got up, it was 31 degrees outside. Okay, I've had my cups of coffee and I'm ready. Today, I'm going to be doing a mushroom piccata pasta. So let's get to it. Here we have, we're going to do linguine. 2 types of mushrooms, shiitakes and baby bella browns. Whole stick of butter, garlic, red pepper flakes, lemon juice, olive oil, white wine, kosher salt, black pepper, capers, and parsley. Simple meal after a complicated week, complicated Thanksgiving. So, I want to give a shout out to somebody, or actually somebody in a company. And I've been enjoying her product, and that's Danny Greens. I've had these 3 packages for about over a week, and they're actually still looking really good. I used them last night on my gyros, which if you saw the photos from last night or a video, we had to do it open face because the pita bread didn't open. Yeah, I couldn't do it. Robin couldn't do it. So we did them open face. Actually, it was wonderful. The chicken was nice and tender because it marinated for about 4 hours in the marinade. It was just wonderful. I will post up the recipe today so you can enjoy it. So let me ask you a question. I've been asked by a few people, what is the direction I am taking Casual Chef? Not necessarily Casual Chef's Kitchen, but Casual Chef. And I really don't know. And I don't know if I'm willing to make a change or to expand. I'm not sure. Where would you like to see Casual Chef or Casual Chef's Kitchen? What direction would you like to see it go, if any direction at all? Let me know in the comments. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.